how to fix your account was compromised on Instagram. So if you're having this error, what you can do is you just need to head over and then click on this change password right here. If you can't see this actual error right here, just head over right here to your Instagram. Click on this three line, then click on this account center right here until it opens. As you can see, they have security right here, so you can head over and then change your password on their account center and under their security. So just wait for this right here to finish the loading process, and in here is the accounts and security. Head over and click on that. And in here you can see this option to change password. Click on that right here and then just choose your Instagram account that is compromised. Just type in here your current password as well as the new password and retype it as well. So make sure to click on this log out of other devices because some people may be using your account. So make sure to click on this and then click on the change password option right here on the bottom in order to successfully fix your account. So that's how you fix your account was compromised on Instagram. Hope we helped.